Hello YouTube and fellow DJs. I have here a new toy. It's the khd2000, and what it's got is 1, 2 units, so you can put in a MP3 system, a memory stick, hard drive, or an MP3 player. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it and see what's inside. Right, unboxing of the khd2000. Let's see what's in there. Looks like the power supply. Yep. Oh, notice the power supply, which is Euro, which is the 2-pin. Not really need to use that. Alright. Aha. Instructions and some fellow leads. And the unit itself. As you know, tip it upside down. Take the unit out. When it's packaging. Right. Oops. Very hard to. Right. That's it. That's the back of it. Power supply in. Line out 1, line out 2, and your fader starts. And that's it. Yeah. Shuttle, cue, play, your loop system. Actually beats to tap. There's all pitch controls and the relay button, so that goes from that one, that's playing, and goes to that one, that side, whatever you got up. That's your USB ports in. Obviously that search, your tracks, enter your track. Right, let's try to see this, hopefully get it up and running, and do a little play with it. Okay, see you later.